today. What's up? It's your girl Evie Joe, and I got a good video. Alright, so today I have some thrift store items. All of these beautiful thrift store items to show for you guys how to style your thrift store items. Also, how you shop for thrift store items. Like, for instance, you might see something and you say, "Ooh, that looks old school. Like, I don't know how to make that work in the thrift store," so you end up not getting something. Well, I'm gonna show you how to make that work. It might look old, but I'm telling you, you can make it look good. See you in a bit. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video if you would like to. I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until the next one. Peace.